Hello and welcome to another episode of Underspeak Tech. In this episode, we will try to throw some light on updatable views in YugabyteDB. So, view is in YugabyteDB are similar to Postgres views. A Postgres view is normally updatable. Now, that means that we can update an underlying table through a view if it meets the following conditions. The view must have exactly one entry in its from clause. The view definition must not contain the following, that is, width, distinct group by having limit or offset. The view should not have union, intersect, or except. Also, the view select query must not have any aggregate function, window function, or set returning functions. Now, in this particular episode, we will try to find answer of the following questions. Can we update a table record via a view which has a join conditions in its definition? Number two, can we update a record of a table through a view? Can we update a column of an underlying table which is unavailable in the view definition? Number four, can we insert a record into a table through a view? And finally, can we delete a record through a view? So to find it out, in this episode, we will use YugabyteDB Aeon. This is a free cluster that you also can create. This is a managed version of YugabyteDB. You have to just go to cloud.yugabyte.com and then uh, do a quick registration with your email ID, and then you will be able to create a single node free cluster. And obviously, if you want to pay, that's your choice. You can create multi-node clusters as well, but that is chargeable. So here I have opened this Cloud Shell, and also what I've done is I have created two tables. Now before that, let me quickly show you the version on which I'm working. This is Postgres 11.2 and YBDB version is 2024.1.3.1. Here what I have done is, for our demonstration purpose, I have created two tables. One is city and one is country. So if I take the definition, so we have in city, we have three columns, that is city ID, city name, country code, and city primary key is city ID. And if I check the same for country, we'll have only two columns, that is country code and country name. Okay, fine. So let's also do a select on the two tables. Select star from city. So we have 5 tables. I have just inserted some random values. Okay, and select star from country. So here we have country 1 and country 2. Okay, and the country codes available are 91 and 353. Now we will start with our first question, that is, can we update a table record via view which has a join condition? So to do this, first I will create, I shall create a view, create view city view as select city name, city ID, city name, okay, city ID, comma, city name, and then country name from city. I am doing an inner join with country on city dot country code. So the view has been created. Let me do a quick select city view. Oh, sorry, spelling mistake. So here you can see that we have three records. Two belongs to country one and one belongs to country two. Fine. Now if I try to update one of the records but using this view, not directly using table, let's see what happens. Update city view set city name equal to AAA. Oh, A is already there. Let's use some different name, say TTT. Okay, where city ID equal to say 3. Fine. Now let's try to update this. It says that it cannot update views. Do not select from views that do not select from a single tabular view are not automatically updatable. So that is what we have seen in our first line, that the view must have exactly one entry in its from clause. But here we have used a join condition where we are fetching data from more than one table. So you have to only keep a single table or a single view. Okay. So question number 2, can we update a record of a table through a view? Let's try to do that. So first I'm doing a normal select on the table. That is, you can see that this is city. Okay, so this is city, city ID, city name, and city code. And now what I will do is I will create another view. Create view city view 11 as select set city ID comma mm, city ID comma city name. Okay, but I'm not using this country code. I'm excluding the country code column as of now. Okay, so create view city view as select city ID city name from city. Now view has been created. Let's do a quick select on city view 11. Yes, so we have all the records. The 5 records are there. Now what we are trying to do is we will try to update but using this view, that is city view 11. So update city view 11 where, okay, let me set something. Set um, city name equal to TTT where city ID equal to say 5. And if I do it, yes. So here I can update the same, but the point to notice, I haven't used the city table, but I have used city view 11. That is the view name. Okay, but you can see that against this city ID 5, the city name has been changed. Fine. So now the next question. So for question 2, we have got the answer. Yes, we can update a record of a table through a view. Now question number 3 is, can we update a column of an underlying table which is unavailable in the view definition? Now let's try that out. Now here I like to show you that when we created this city view 11 view, we have only included city ID and city name. We have excluded country code. Now if I want to try to update a country code using this city view 11, let's see whether I'm able to do that or not. So again, I'm writing an update statement. update city view 11, set country code equal to say 90, where city ID equal to say 4. Okay. Now, if I try to do that, it says that column country code of relation city view 11 does not exist, so you can't update. So simply put, that column which we are trying to update is not available in the view definition, so it doesn't allow me to update. It doesn't allow me to update using view. Obviously, if you go back to table and try to implement or perform a direct update on the table, it will definitely uh, will allow. Okay. Now question 4, that is, can we insert a record into a table through a view? Yes, with an updatable view, this is possible. Let's see how. So let's do that. Select star from city. Okay, CITY. So we have these 5 records. Now I'm trying to insert into city view. Again, please note that I'm not using the table name. I'm using the view name. That is insert into city view. And the city view has only 2 columns, that is city ID and city name. So I can only insert these 2 values, not the country code. Okay, so say the city ID, let's insert this at 8, and city name, say DDD, and try to insert. Okay, let me put value. Yes, I'm able to insert. Now if I do a select star from city view 11, shows that yes, we have an additional record, that is 8, and the city name is DDD. But here the problem is, select star from city. If I query the underlying table, I will see that against this record, that is 8DDD, we don't have any country code, because we use this city view table to insert the value, and only we have these 2 columns. So that's why only we are able to insert the values against these 2 columns, not against the country code column. Fine. So simply put, can we insert using views? Yes, if it is updatable view, yes, we can insert a data into the underlying table. Now, there is another concept called insert with check option, but that option is still not available in this particular version of YugabyteDB, but it is available in Postgres. Okay, so that's why for this particular episode, I am excluding that, but I just want to show you another thing, that can we delete a record to a view or not. So by the time, you might have somehow anticipated that if we are able to insert or update, so definitely it will allow me to delete as well. And yes, it will allow me to delete. So if I do a select star from city view 11, and if I want to delete from city view 11, where say city ID equal to say 5, yes, it is deleted, and obviously it is deleted from the table itself. So it's just to ascertain that here you cannot find that city ID 5 and the associated records. Okay, associated details again city ID 5. So we have successfully deleted a record. Now here a bonus point is, let's remember you cannot perform update insert or delete on a materialized view. So materialized view creates a kind of a logical physical structure of data where it keeps the data physically. So I just for the interest of that point, bonus point, let us try to create a quick materialized view. So say it's simple. Okay, so just you need to write create materialized view, say city view to as select city ID, city name, country code. Oh, sorry, I forgot to mention the table name for from city. Okay, so now this materialized view has been created. Okay, now if I do a quick select star from city view to it shows me all those 5 records that are available in the table. But now, if I want to say insert, update, or delete, so let's try to insert into uh, city view to values, say 9, then SSS, and say 91. It says that it cannot change a materialized view. Okay, now let's try to do one thing. Let's try to update a record as well. Now instead of insert, I do an update city view to set uh, city name equal to RRR, where city ID equal to 7. Again, it says the same, that it cannot change materialized view. Now if I try to delete from city view to where city ID equal to 7, again it says that it cannot change materialized view. So if you want to insert, update, or delete from a materialized view, you cannot do the same. So that's all for this episode. So I shall quickly come back with another episode with another topic, and we shall explore together. Till then, happy learning, and if you have any suggestions after watching this video, please share the same with me. And if you have liked the video, please click on the like button, and also to get all the updates from my channel, click on the notification channel on, and click on the bell icon. So that's it. Happy learning, and stay safe, stay well until we meet again. Thank you.